What's up, poppies and mommies out there? My name is Percy Mescuddy, but most people call me Zosh. You can call me Back in Action, cause we got a lens back in action. You hear me? I'm here to pledge allegiance to the bag. Yeah. What's up, y'all? So for today's video, it's actually going to be a great one. As you can tell by the title, I'm taking a fan for a ride. And my now 2020 Dc2 Integra. Yeah. On my back. So he wrote me on Instagram saying, yo, congrats on the 2420 and all that. And I was like, yo, appreciate you, bro. Thank you. He was like, can you take me for a ride in the Integra? I was like, what? Like, maybe. That would be cool, because I've been wanting to do this, bro. Like, I've been wanting to take a subscriber slash fan or whatever for a ride in the Integra for a minute. And I was like, yes, bro, where do you live? And to find out, he lives in the same city I live in. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna take the Integra out, go pick him up, and take him for some pools and stuff in the Integra. I would say take him for a ride, but lava man don't take another man for a ride and nothing now. I'll move up, Doug. I'm en route to the guy's house now. Bro, to be honest with you, I'm very like nervous excited because I don't know how his reaction is gonna be to this. He's probably been in something way faster. I just hope I can give him the feeling that I had when I went for a drive along. I don't want to say ride along. Lava them dog! When I went for a ride, pause, and right hand drive Kev's Integra back when he had the 2420 in there, stop. And the feeling I got, bro, I hope I can give this guy the same feeling. He's a young dude. He's like 21, I believe. Yeah, it should be fun and exciting to do this, man. I just hope he has a good time and enjoy himself. I'm nervous. I am 0.3 miles away from his house. Man, I'm nervous. I'm only nervous because I want him to have a good time. You know what I mean? Like I don't want him to be like, man, that shit was garbage. Oh man.
God, this thing looks amazing in person.
Doesn't it? Oh man, you ready? All right. I was saying to the camera, I was like, man, I hope he enjoys it. I hope he don't be like, man, that shit is slow. I mean, it's not tuned yet, but it boogies for what it is.
I've never been to K24 Integra.
You never been? Well, I just did the 2420, yeah. So now it's gonna feel much different. I'm still getting used to it. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
From all the times I've seen on the road, like, I'd love to get a ride along one day.
Yeah, because I've been wanting to do, like, I wanted to do that this year. I was like, man, I want to take somebody for a ride in the car. So when you like hit me up on Instagram, it was like, hey, can you take me for a ride? And I was like, you know what? I will. Let's do it. That should be fun. Little baby hit. How was that?
Oh, thanks.
It's not bad for a K24, right?
Hell no.
Nah, not too bad. Not too shabby.
Imagine when he gets the tune.
Yeah, oh man, B20V on boost? Yeah, those were the days. Those were the days, baby.
Don't get some real speed.
Yeah. I was telling them, I was like, man, I hope I give this guy the same feeling I got when I first went in like a fast K-Series Integra. Like, how many K-Series cars have you been in? Like, that's fast and stuff like that.
This one.
This one's your first one? Oh, shit!
My friend has a supercharged one, but it wasn't all of that.
So what'd you think, the supercharged one or my all-motor one?
All-motor.
Oh, shit! It just feels so, bro, yeah. I'm a sucker for all-motor cars, man. I'm just, bro, it's just the feeling you get, the raw power. Yep. It's just, oh man, I can't wait to share this video with the world, just so people understand. Like, it's not a like for all. Like, I usually get like clown from like the big V8 guys, the super guys, because they're like, man, do you think 200 and something horsepower is fast? But like, you're in a gutted car.
You're in a Civic that is naturally low to the ground, lightweight. That's like a tin can.
Yeah, that's what it is. With just a motor seats and a dashboard, and you're making like 260 something horsepower, bro.
It's a go-kart.
That's what it, honestly.
It's a street legal go-kart.
That's what it is. And yeah, that is going to wrap it up for this video. As I was editing this video, I was like, bro, he does not look impressed. But it was good energy, man. It was good vibes, bro. It was a really good time to be able to have took a subscriber out. For a ride in the Integra. That goes to show, if you have a favorite YouTuber and you live local to him, just maybe one day randomly hit him up and like, yo, can you take me for a ride in the car? And maybe he'll be like, you know what? I will. You know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I'm gonna get like a lot of people like, yo, how you gonna throw your harness on but not buckle up, bro? I don't know, okay? I don't know. Just leave a like on the video and share it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, please leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.